In a world defined by speed, scale, and complexity, data is the fuel that drives transformation. Artificial intelligence is no longer optional. It's the force reshaping industries, unlocking new efficiencies, and delivering competitive edge. The need for automated, AI-driven data quality and governance has never been more critical, ensuring data integrity at every touchpoint, across every process. Introducing Kai. MDO's AI assistant. Kai is not just another AI bot, it's an intelligent partner designed to transform how enterprises manage, govern, and optimize their data within MDO. Across industries, field engineers carry the real story, but it's often lost in emails, photos, and fragmented messages. Kai changes that. From a single prompt, Kai interprets free text, creates or modifies master records, and triggers intelligent workflows. No mess, no delay. Whether it's task list creation, material updates, or change requests, Kai handles it all with precision. It understands natural language, respects business rules, and integrates seamlessly into existing approvals and hierarchies. With MDO's Kai, data from the field flows straight into your enterprise systems, clean, validated, and trusted. Multiple industries can leverage the power of Kai to meet their business objective. Welcome to the world of Kai. Kai, empowering data, transforming business.